Hi and welcome to this Blueberry Markets video update with me, John Kibler, head currency analyst. In this video we're going to be looking at dollar CAD and looking to see if price is going to head towards and break above that 129.50 area, which is a huge level on dollar CAD, which we'll take a look at in a moment. But first of all, just looking at the seasonal charts, we can see here that the Canadian dollar usually underperforms through the month of October. It's actually usually its worst performing month. So I wanted to take a look at the currency to see if that we could look for some short opportunities. Now, if we actually take a look at dollar CAD here, we know that the dollar is strengthening at the moment. It's breaking through previous structure highs. The Federal Reserve have been quite hawkish lately, so we could see the dollar continue to strengthen, especially in the short to mid-term. Now, Canadian dollar obviously underperforming at the moment. We can see that because price is starting to rally here on dollar CAD, and the fact that seasonally we should see some CAD weakness means that we could look for options to buy this market. Now, if we look at the sort of bigger picture first, we look at the weekly time frame, we can see here that price around about this sort of between sort of 129.50 and 128.25 is quite an important level. We see that the market has reacted from these areas in the past and found some support and resistance. Now, when a market comes and hits these supports quite often, and the resistance areas quite often, sometimes they can be less effective the more times it's hit over a short period of time. And we can see here that dollar CAD has reacted from this level quite recently, about 3 to 4 times. So that could suggest that this level is getting a little bit weaker. Pretty much like the example that we used with pound US dollar and pound yen recently. I'll link the videos in the blog post. But essentially, we talked about there the fact that the support and resistance level had been hit numerous amounts of times. We're getting lower highs from that, and the market has now broken to the downside. There is a similar sort of pattern going on here for dollar CAD. If I go take a look at this daily time frame, we're hitting these resistance zones up here, and price is forming higher lows going into it. So that could suggest that we are going to see a breakout to the upside. So could this offer us some long opportunities in the short term? Absolutely. And one thing that we like to look at is that 4-hour trend. Is the 4-hour starting to make higher highs and higher lows? Absolutely. We can see here that the market started to break that trend here. It pulled back into these structure highs here and has now formed that higher high, higher low pattern. So this can give us an opportunity to start looking for those longs on dollar CAD. And the first sort of area that I'm going to be looking at are the previous breakout highs, which is around about 127. If price can get back down to this zone through here, which is a great zone actually if you look left, if price can reject this area, come back into it, form some bullish price action, we could look for some short-term trading opportunities back up into that 128.25 level, that super important level that we just looked at on the higher time frame. If it then breaks above this, we can look for further long opportunities, but obviously for now this looks like a good long opportunity in the short term back at 127. Just look for those bullish reversal opportunities on lower time frames, or look for a 4-hour bullish rejection. Thanks for watching this video update. I did hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, leave this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the YouTube channel to see some more of our Forex content, and I will catch you in the next video.